I want to talk to you. And I really mean that, by the way. We have this amazing YouTube channel that I'm just so in awe of and humbled by. Like, we didn't think this was going to be what it is, and it just exploded around us. And I've built friendships off of this thing. We've hired from it. We've developed some amazing strategic partnerships. I've learned a lot. I've been corrected. I've already said humbled, but like really humbled. In honestly, y'all like keeping me honest. And what's funny is I'm running out of things to say. Not really, but you know what I mean? Like, I want to up the ante. I want to really level up. And I'm thinking to myself, how is it that I can bring more value to our subscribers? And I realized that it will probably come from our subscribers. Chances are you've got a ton of amazing things that you could share with our people that will help make them better at Google Ads. That's the prerequisite. Will what you have to say make my audience better at Google Ads? I don't care if you're a competitor. I don't care if you disagree with me. I don't care if you're pitching a product. We'll keep the pitching to a minimum, though. Like, it needs to be something that will make them better at Google Ads without them having to pay you money. So if you've got value, if you have value to offer a subscriber base, go to solate.com/pitch. Pitch. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Go to solate.com/pitch. Let us know who you are, what you want to pitch, what your superpower is, what you want to share. I'm looking for really actionable. You know our channel, if you're watching this. We're nitty gritty, man. I mean, like, some people like to get real philosophical, and there's nothing wrong with that. I actually kind of enjoy doing that on occasion. But you need to show us, like, we're going to press some buttons. You're going to share your screen. You can't make any bold claims without me calling you on it. You need to walk through case studies if they're there. You can't, like, do like, oh, in this 9-day period, we had a 14,000% ROAS. I'm going to make you zoom out. Like, it's going to have to be honest, real, valuable content for us to go up on the channel. And I feel like maybe that was, I'm not trying to talk you out of this. I'm not going to be mean or anything. Like, I want you on the thing, but I also, there will be a quality threshold, let's say, that people need to be able to hurdle. But I have no doubt that, some of our subscribers, I've learned so much from some of y'all. I'm thinking about Militia, Bohan, Dan, Caden, who we hired. Like, he's actually the one that him and his buddy named the Daily Google News. The reason we call this Daily Google News is because he kept commenting on every video, and now he works with us. So I really want to get some of y'all on this channel, and I want to provide as much value as we possibly can. We want to be the #1 Google Ads channel on YouTube, and I want your help doing that. And I really mean it, by the way. I don't care if you're a competitor. Do not care. There's more than enough work for all of us. Just you're going to help make me better. You're going to help make our subscribers better. And I'm actually looking forward to people that disagree with us. So if you have an alternative, if you have a different paradigm, a different approach, if you're like, hey, dude, the way that you use Performance Max is stupid, and here's why. I don't like, that's awesome. Let's get on and let's I don't want to say duke it out, because I'll probably just sit there and listen, and I'll ask some questions. But I want this to be the center of the world when it comes to learning Google Ads. That's what I want from this channel. And if you've got something that you wanna toss up in there, I'd be forever indebted to you and grateful for you. And it's super casual, by the way. We hop on a Zoom, I hit record, and then we talk. And if you say anything, or you're like, oh, dude, I actually don't want to have said that, or I don't want to have shared that, we'll chop it right out. Like, I'm not going to hold anybody's feet to the fire. I'm not here to play gotcha journalism. I just want value. I want value for my channel, value for my subscribers. I want to stay relevant, and I want your help doing that. So if you've got something to share, go to the link, pitch it. If you know of somebody that you think would be awesome, send them the link to. It's super easy for them to fill out. There's nothing, just give us context. Let us know, like, hey, here's what I want to talk about. And then we'll be like, oh, cool, that sounds great. That's all I got. I really appreciate y'all, as always, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know we actually know what we're doing. We shoot a video every single day, so if you want to be notified, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any input, don't hesitate to hit us up in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. We get very little human interaction. Thanks for supporting our channel, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.